Please stop recording me. I'm not trying to do this. I don't understand it either.
Everybody knows me now, but nobody actually knows what happened. I wish they'd stop watching me.
Mom, Dad, I still remember that day. I tried to hold on. I really tried. No! Mom! Dad! Please don't leave me! Please come back!
I was scared of rain ever since that day. Every time it starts raining, I remember losing them. You're not scared of me anymore?
Why are you all being so kind? I thought rain only brought pain. But maybe things can still get better.